Here's the deal. Blending hot liquids isn't just any blender plus soup. It's a safety and performance test that exposes design, power, venting, and control. So this countdown is tuned for real-world hot soups, purees, and sauces without steam explosions or gritty textures. By the end, the best pick isn't just powerful. It handles heat safely, vents steam properly, and gives smooth, spoon-coating textures with the least fuss, especially when batches are hot, thick, and a little stubborn. 6. Braun TriForce Power Blender. Let's start with the Braun TriForce because on paper, it's a hot soup machine. And yes, it actually heats soup by friction while blending, which is clever and fast when there's no stovetop step planned. The pitcher's triangular flow and eye texture control presets let a cook pick coarse, medium, or smooth. And the dedicated smooth soup mode brings ingredients up to serving temperature right in the jar, which is unusually convenient for weekday tomato or carrot ginger blends. It's got serious power, a big 68-ounce capacity, and an interface that keeps the steps simple so it feels like a set it and sip it workflow for hot liquids. Now, here's what matters with hot liquids: venting and consistency. The TriForce's soup program is tuned for heating and texture, and Braun's support notes explain the how-to around the hot soup function, which is a comfort for anyone nervous about steam pressure. In repeated runs, the smooth texture setting makes thick, velvety results that hold on a spoon, and if the jar is warm first, it reduces the post-pour temp drop. Nice touch for a cream of mushroom or roasted squash. But two things had to be said. When this thing ramps up, it's loud enough that neighbors might get a cameo in the tasting notes, and independent tests have called it out as fatiguing near the unit. 5. Vitamix Ascent X2 Blender. Well, the Ascent X2 is the this is going to work pick. It's Vitamix's new X Series baseline with a 48-ounce container, and it includes 3 programs: smoothies, frozen desserts, and soups, plus a manual speed dial and pulse. So control is second nature when adjusting hot blends on the fly. The hot soup program isn't fluff. Vitamix's whole friction heats soup approach has been proven for years, and the X2 keeps that playbook with quick steaming results under 10 minutes when blending from room temp ingredients. Texture is where this shines. The X2 makes a very smooth blend out of fibrous ingredients, so silky broccoli cheddar or lemongrass soups don't feel gritty, and thick recipes move with the tamper better than most, which matters when heat plus viscosity tends to stall thinner blenders. The motor feels confident. The jar shape works for smaller hot batches without cavitation, and the new tamper holder and self-detect compatibility keep the system feeling modern and modular. Here's the minor friction. The X2's 48-ounce jar is smaller than classic 64-ounce Vitamix containers, which is great for control but not ideal for very large soup batches. Unless the plan is to do rounds, some will love this, others will sigh. Also, the tamper holder is oddly tricky to clean, which is not a deal breaker, but it will steal a minute of someone's evening. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. Let me explain. If budget matters and a glass jar is non-negotiable, the Power Elite gives a 40-ounce glass pitcher with a pour spout and a 700-watt motor using the brand's Wave Action system to keep ingredients cycling down into the blades. Glass can be appealing for hot blends because it doesn't stain easily and handles heat better than thin plastics. Though technique still matters, open the cap or lid carefully, don't overfill, and start low with hot liquids. For simple tomato basil soups that were preheated on the stove, the jar pours neatly and cleanup is easy since the jar, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe. In practice, it's fine for lighter, hot soups, and the spout is surprisingly handy when serving straight from the pitcher. Less dribble, fewer paper towels. The controls are straightforward with 12 functions mapped to 5 buttons, which keeps things approachable if the routine is reheat on the stove, then finish the blend here for texture. Trade-offs: power and long-term durability. The build relies on plastic around the base components, and independent testing has noted it feels more prone to wear and tear than premium blenders, which aligns with the price point. With very thick hot purees, it needs patience, liquid, and gradual speed ramping. Expect occasional chunk policing between pulses when working with dense, starchy blends. 3. Magic Bullet Combo Blender. Here's the nuance. The Magic Bullet combo includes a full-size vented pitcher and single-serve cups, and the distinction matters a lot for hot liquids. The user guide is crystal clear. Only the vented pitcher should be used with hot or warm ingredients, never the sealed cups, because steam pressure can push a lid off and cause burns. The pitcher's vented cap allows steam to escape and gives a safe way to add ingredients mid-blend. If the plan is finishing a warm cauliflower soup or blending a stovetop butternut puree to silky smooth, the pitcher works decently with cautious, low to high ramping and reasonable batch sizes. As a system, it's easy to live with. Simple controls, quick cleanup, and the ability to pulse aromatics or smooth out a sauce that started in a pot. The vented lid design is the safety win. Open the vent to release steam. Add a touch of liquid if the blend tightens up, and always respect the max line to avoid pressure build. Where it struggles is heavy-duty heat blending versus premium motors. Fibrous or very thick, low liquid soups will test its torque. And again, the sealed cups are strictly off-limits for hot ingredients, full stop. Still, for small hot batches in the pitcher with the proper venting routine, it's a friendly, low-stress option. 2. Chefman Obliterator Countertop Blender. The name's loud, but the performance is what counts. The Obliterator comes with a 48-ounce main jar, a 20-ounce travel jar, a tamper, and a scraper that nest together. Nice touches for adjusting hot textures without stopping and starting all day. The lid includes a removable measuring cap that doubles as a steam path, meaning steam can escape while blending hot food and ingredients can be added safely mid-cycle, exactly what a hot soup workflow needs to avoid pressure buildup. With a 1380-watt motor, 6 speeds, and 3 presets, it feels capable and controlled, and testers note the wide range of manual speeds is genuinely useful. For hot soups, puree strength is the headline. Third-party testing reported excellent pureeing in soup trials, which tracks with how confident it feels on carrots, lentils, or sweet potatoes once heat softens the structure. The jar pours cleanly, and the removable blade assembly is designed for easier base access and dishwasher-safe cleanup, alongside the Bora-class glass jar. Yes, glass, which many prefer for hot work. The tool set, tamper plus scraper, also helps minimize dead zones so thick, hot blends move without air pockets. Minor notes, presets are more limited than some top-tier machines, and availability or finish variants differ by retailer, but the fundamentals for hot liquids, venting, control, pureeing power, are all there at a price that undercuts the luxury class. Number 1. COZII Professional Blender. And at number 1, this is the surprise brand. The COZII brings a 2,000 peak watt motor, a 64-ounce pitcher, a 21-ounce to-go cup, and 7 smart presets with 8 speed levels, which reads like a spec sheet built for thick purees and hot soups, with room to spare in the jar. The manufacturer specifically calls out hot soup capability and attributes warming to friction heat from high-speed blending, the same principle used by premium players. Combined with the large capacity, it handles family-size hot batches without feeling cramped. In use, it's the don't overthink it experience. Choose the preset, bump speed if the body needs tightening, and let the hardened blades chew through fibrous veggies until the texture turns glossy and uniform. The motor's fan and cooling design aim to keep noise and thermal buildup in check, which helps during longer hot blends where some units whine or thermal protect too fast. For everyday hot soups, think roasted pepper, potato leek, coconut carrot, tomato bisque. It hits that smooth, clingy finish with fewer stirs, and the big jar means steam has headroom to vent safely when the lid is managed properly. value is the kicker. With presets for ice crush, frozen drinks, dips, nut butter, and more, it crosses over into all-around kitchen duty. But for hot liquids specifically, the friction heat capability plus capacity and control deliver the easiest path to consistently silky results. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.